and I'm here to talk to you about our brand new Defy Damage Power Mask, KBOND20.
A supercharged hair repair mask with the power of damage control in a single, extraordinary product.
Provide not only restructuring, but also hydration and flip for the healthiest hair.
You have bond building, and you have moisture, you have repair, you have all the things that your hair needs. I'm obsessed.
This strength-building mask offers transformative results in a single use.
Because it repairs and strengthens the hair from the inside out.
This powerful mask is something that we use in the salon all the time, and now we can send it home with our clients.
KBOND20 is going to be another level of greatness for strengthening and nourishing your hair. Try it out.